Welcome to the School Subjects Game. This simple yet effective activity helps participants engage actively with school subjects, improving focus, retention, and collaboration. You'll need a prepared activity sheet with a 3-column table. The first column contains questions about key concepts from the lesson. The second column is for participants to draw clues to answer the questions on their own. The third column is for them to share and complete answers with a partner. Start with the first column of questions. Encourage participants to think carefully and draw clues or symbols in the second column to represent potential answers. Once they have completed their clues, ask them to pair up with a partner. Ask them to share reflections, compare ideas, and work together to fill out the third column. After all pairs have shared, reveal the correct answers to the group. Allow participants to compare and adjust their responses as needed. For review, have participants hide the second and third columns and attempt to answer the questions again on their own to reinforce learning. Facilitate a group reflection afterward by asking, did drawing clues help you understand the subject better? Did collaborating with a partner make the activity more engaging? How can this method be applied to your future learning? The School Subjects Game is a fantastic way to make learning interactive, collaborative, and memorable, and can even be adapted for online learning.